Watch these 12 mistakes to avoid while planning your kitchen. Feng Shui tips for harmony and abundance. You cook here. You connect here. And believe it or not, your wealth may be affected here. I'm talking about your kitchen, one of the most powerful spaces in your home, especially through the lens of Feng Shui. I'm Sandeep Raut, and for over 15 years, I've been helping people design homes where energy flows freely and abundance follows naturally. In today's video, I'll walk you through the 12 most common Feng Shui mistakes people make while planning or designing their kitchen, and give you practical solutions to fix them. If you're renovating, building, or just want more harmony and prosperity in your life, this one's for you. Mistake number 1. Stove-facing sink. Fire versus water clash. In Feng Shui, the stove represents fire, and the sink symbolizes water. When they directly face each other, it creates a symbolic battle, leading to financial struggles, stress, and arguments at home. Solutions. Add a wood element, like a cutting board or potted herb, between them to mediate the energy. Rearrange to prevent direct alignment if planning from scratch. Mistake number 2. Stove under a window. A stove beneath a window causes the fire energy to dissipate. It represents a loss of wealth and instability, like money flying out the window, quite literally. Solutions. If moving the stove isn't possible, install a curtain or blind and keep it half closed when cooking. Add plants on the sill to ground the energy. Mistake number 3. Kitchen door, facing the main door. This layout causes qi to rush straight to the kitchen, leading to impulsive spending and weak digestion. The flow of energy bypasses the living space entirely. Solutions. Use a screen, beaded curtain, or even a plant partition to slow down energy flow. Keep the kitchen door closed when not in use. Mistake number 4. Stove next to refrigerator. Here again, we see fire, stove, clashing with water, fridge, a subtle source of emotional tension and disrupted energy. Solutions. Insert a wood element, like a narrow shelf or tall wooden panel, between the two appliances. Choose wood-colored laminates or warm lighting to soften the contrast. Mistake number 5. No support behind the stove. A stove backed by a window or open space creates a sense of instability, as if there's no energetic backing to the wealth source. Solutions. Use a sturdy backsplash or install a solid wall behind the stove if possible. Symbolically support the area with tiles, art, or lighting. Mistake number 6. Cluttered stove top. A cluttered stove blocks wealth. Each burner represents a source of income. If it's unused or messy, you're unknowingly telling the universe you don't want that stream of income. Solutions. Keep all burners clean and functional. Use the burners regularly. Rotate between them. Mistake number 7. Dark and windowless. Kitchen light is life. A dark kitchen holds stagnant qi and can lead to low energy, poor digestion, and even sadness. Solutions. Add brighter lighting. Use mirrors or reflective backsplashes. Paint with light earth tones to invite warmth. Mistake number 8. Kitchen at the center of the home. The center is the heart of the home. It governs overall health. Placing the kitchen here creates too much heat in the heart, symbolically and energetically. Solutions. Use earth tones and ceramic tiles to ground fire energy. Keep the area organized and neutral. Avoid bold red here. Mistake number 9. Trash bin in plain sight. Garbage represents waste energy. When it's exposed, especially near the entrance or stove, it invites financial and emotional drain. Solutions. Keep bins out of sight or covered. Empty them regularly and cleanse with salt water weekly. Mistake number 10. Overuse of red or black. While red represents prosperity and black symbolizes water, too much of either can cause imbalance. Red can create anger. Black can feel heavy or isolating. Solutions. Use color in balance, red in accents, black in contrast. Ground them with wood or earth tones like green or beige. Mistake number 11. No natural element or life. A lifeless kitchen lacks vitality. Qi thrives in places with movement, growth, and natural energy. Solutions. Add herbs, a fruit bowl, or a small plant. Display fresh produce instead of artificial decor. Mistake number 12. Cooking while facing away from the door. If your back is to the entrance while cooking, it may create subconscious stress and vulnerability. Solutions. Add a mirror or reflective backsplash so you can see behind you. Use wind chimes or bells near the entrance to signal motion. General Feng Shui kitchen guidelines. To maintain harmony and invite abundance, follow these Feng Shui principles in your kitchen. Ensure the stove, sink, and fridge form a triangle, not a straight line. Keep entry paths clear and remove clutter from countertops. Choose earthy colors like beige, soft yellow, or warm green. They stabilize and nourish. Use natural materials like wood, ceramic, and metal in balance to represent the 5 elements. Add soft lighting to make the space warm and welcoming. Personalize your kitchen. It should feel like a sacred space of nourishment, not just function. Your kitchen is more than a room. It's a center of wealth, health, and emotional warmth. Small misalignments in design can create big disturbances in energy, but the good news is they're easy to fix with intention. Avoiding these 12 Feng Shui kitchen mistakes will help you create a space that nourishes your family, supports your finances, and radiates balance. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Feng Shui by Sandeep Raut for more tips on how to align your home and life. Have a kitchen design challenge you're unsure about? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to help. And don't forget to share this video with a friend or loved one planning a kitchen. They'll thank you later.